Alright guys, just going over the grease points on the Triton. Yours might be a bit different. We've got some reversible shackles here, so just get the nipple cleaner. Alright, I've just got some molly grease in there. Let's give that a few pumps. Should do it. Bit of fun getting that off. Alright guys, the same again. We've got some more on the other side of the shackle there. Just want to get the gun on there and give it a good few pumps. Show you the grease crackling out. Yep. And then repeat on the second one. Alright guys, so grease the shackles. So there were 6 altogether on the leaf spring. Now we're underneath the car on the diff there. So there's a grease fitting just going onto the diff tail shaft. So you just want to give that a few pumps. That's all it takes. A couple of pumps and she's got some new grease in there. Otherwise I'll end up flicking out everywhere on you. Right. It's a little trick, if you have that grease nipple head a bit loose, you can twist it off so you don't have to rip the shit out of it to get it off. Yep. Alright, we'll go to the other end. Alright guys, in a bit of a difficult spot, but this is the other uni joint on the 2-piece tail shaft, so just hit that with a bit of brake clean. And expose the nipple there. And then repeat again. Alright, can you see it? So only a couple of pumps. And that will just replenish the grease if it's anything flung out. Alrighty. Alright, and this is the grease nipple onto the gearbox there. So you should have 3 on the rear tail shaft. Just get that on there. A couple of pumps. That's all it takes. And then just untwist. And that's it. And then we'll go to the front tail shaft. Alright guys, this is the front tail shaft. Tell you to put it on first, but you just want to put a few pumps in there. And you can hear that come out, so that's all you need to do. And then all we got left is the front uni joint, and that should be it. Alright guys, this is the secret weapon I was talking about. I think it's got a grease needle or something, but it's got a real small tip on it, pointed tip. See if I can get that better. And you just push it into the zerk fitting, just so it touches the ball bearing and it'll push grease past it. And it's got a zerk fitting of its own on the end there, so you just pop that into your grease gun, slide that over, and that's semi stiff. So we'll get out of the car and we'll see if we can pump some grease into that fitting. It won't take any. Alright. So this is going to be a bit of a challenge to film this, but we'll give it a go anyway. So you just want to get it into the hole where the bearing, where the what do you call it is, zerk fitting, and just got to hold a fair bit of pressure on it. And there you go, you can hear it. So we got the grease in there. You can see how it just comes out like spaghetti. So that's a bloody invaluable tool, that. So yeah, I think I just got that from my goods.